Hi! In order to connect a hard disk drive to an Android device, you have to download the following apps. The first one is called Microsoft exFAT and the second one is called Total Commander. After you download these apps, just open them and give them the required permissions. Now plug in the hard disk drive to your Android device using a micro USB connection. You have to wait for approximately 2 minutes in order to load the drives. Finally, your hard disk drive will show up, and you have to click on Mount that is shown next to your hard disk drive partition. Finally, this is my hard disk drive shown here, and these are my files, and we can browse them, edit them, move them, do anything. For example, we open this file. Okay, after you completed working with your hard disk drive files, just go to the first app, that is Microsoft exFAT NTFS, and unmount your hard disk drive to safely remove it from your Android device. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.